Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Justits account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Justits account, firstly open your Justits application. The official page of Justits will appear on the screen. Tap on Get Started. Accept all the cookies and share your location or enter your address manually. The home page of Justit will appear on the screen. Tap on Settings option and then click on Login. The login page will appear on the screen. Tap on Create an Account option. Enter your first and last name with your email address. Create a password for your Justits account. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not and then click on Create an Account. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter your verification code and tap on Continue. This is how you can sign up for your Justits account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.